So Elaine, what made you choose Antigua Shutters for your home?
So we bought the house, there were very vast windows, we weren't used to it. Want something to make it a bit more homely, cosier, something that would enhance our curtains. It meant I could choose a really good range of colours and louver size, so brought the windows in a little bit more. And obviously sometimes too much light is not good, so watching TV and everything, so this enabled us to do all those things and means that everybody can watch the TV.
How long have you had Antigua Shutters in your home, Elaine?
So the lounge and my bedroom were the first, so I think they are 20 plus. So once I got my hubby to let me have my lounge ones, I was allowed to have my bedroom ones. Again, they're the same size windows upstairs. That is a massive thing for privacy and light in the morning. It's a very sunny home here. And last are my kitchen ones.
Lovely. 20 years, that's pretty impressive.
20 years, 4 children, a lot of rugby balls, and touch wood, no broken louvers.